Hello, my dear IG students. Following our lessons, we are going to talk about the Barter system and the coincidences of wants, and then we are going to follow with the studies about money. To understand the usefulness of money, we must consider what the world look like without money. Okay. How people are used to trade or to change or to exchange things, okay? Economies without money will typically engage in the barter system. So what is the barter system then? Barter system is literally trading one good or service for another, okay? In an economy without money, an exchange between people would involve the double coincidence of wants. What is the double coincidence of wants? It's a situation in which two people each want some good or services that the other person can provide. This means, if I may give you one example, if I have then tomatoes and I want, for example, to exchange for a chicken, then I would have to find someone who has the chicken and wants tomatoes instead. So it was highly inefficient, or it would be a system that would be inefficient for now what we have nowadays as trades. Okay. Continuing now. Over time, human beings have used many different products as medium of exchanges, but also those products that were being used as medium of exchange, they were not so efficient. Let's say salt at the beginning, then they evolved to make precious metals until the time that human beings invented money, right? Something that would not have value by itself, but value for the trust that is given by the governments. Let's say now, money is anything that is acceptable as payment for goods and service. It affects our lives in many ways. We can earn it, spend it, save it, invest it, and often wish we had more of it, surely, okay? So money solves problems that the barter system creates, okay? So the money was the solution for all the barter system and for the other types of currency that were used at the time. Functions of money. What are the functions of money? Money can serve as a medium of exchange. This is one of the prime functions of money. Okay, it means that money acts as an intermediary between the buyer and the seller. Okay, are we together, my dear students? So continuing, money has also the function of storing or value, as it can be stored and used at a later date in the future. This means that money must be able to hold its purchasing power over time. Money also has the functions as unit of account or measure of value. As it will measure the market value of different goods and services, it is far more efficient for trading purposes to express the price of goods and services in dollars, for example, or other monetary value, rather than using products such as clothes, shells, soap, livestock, all of which have been unsuccessful forms of money in history. As we saw, my dear student, one of the problems of the barter system was exactly measuring the value of a good. How many sacks or buckets of tomatoes or potatoes do I have to give you so that you can give me one car? That was a big issue. But now with money, no. Money can easily measure of value of goods, okay? Money is a standard of different payments. What does this mean? As you can see in the image, buy now and pay later. This means money is used as a standard for future different payments of debt. For example, loans taken today are repaid in money at some times and foreseeable future. Okay, of US and euro have been widely accepted as standards of international debt. This is just a moment, okay? Money has certain characteristics, my dear students, different than any other product that has been used in history. Money has certain characteristics which means so unique and so efficient for the system that we have, the trading system that we have. Money is durable, portable, divisible, uniform, limited in supply, and acceptable as well, okay? It's durable, it lasts over time, different than potatoes that could rot, tomatoes that could rot, chicken that could die while trying to trade. Money is portable. We can easily move. Over history, gold and precious metals or salt have been used. Salt, we had a problem. After exchanging and coming up with some buckets of salt as money, a rain could ruin your day. Now, metals would also call attention of thieves, for example. But money is easy to hold, it's easy to move from one place to another. Divisible. Money can be divided, 1, 2, 3 minutes, dollars, okay? So now, I want you, my students, to explain me about uniformity, about limit supply and acceptability. But of course, you can find these explanations for in page 60 and 61 of our book, okay? And also we have some activities here that we can use. So you watch and summarize. This is a watch and summarize system. So we have also some questions. Number 2, use the internet to find out about hyperinflation experience in Zimbabwe, which lasted around 5 years. My dear students, I'm going to stop the video right now. I don't want to make it too long. So see you in the classroom for further discussions.